I'm Brian Van with our STG kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Inside the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, I've got another kick-ass graphic. It's pretty similar to the one I did a couple of weeks back. You know, I actually got called childish. That video, I had a lot of energy, probably just like this right now, because I loved that helmet graphic. I don't ever want to grow up. Do you ever want to grow up? Oh, of course not. So, I'm not going to around anymore. I'm just going to pull it out now. Oh, yes! Look at that! This is the all-new Icon Alliance GT DL18 helmet. This is essentially bringing back a graphic they did, I think in 2003 on the Alliance, the Dragon Lady. God, I loved it. And this is actually real artwork, okay? This is real, honest-to-God, skateboard-style artwork put on a helmet. There's like some pearl effect and that flame paint on the top, but who cares about that pearl effect? Dude, there's a hot chick on the helmet with a big rack. What more could you ask for? Gold mirror, drop down inner screen. Yes! Icon Alliance DL18 helmet.